Since the earliest of the civilizations, land has managed to fiercely assert its dominance. From caves to subsequently touching the sky with skyscrapers, man has evolved himself and the world around him, changing, modifying, and developing. Real estate of any country is an absolute blessing to its economic growth. It is evident from the last few years that there has been a tremendous growth in the real estate sector. At this rate, by 2020, India is expected to become the third largest developing market in the world. With beauty in its surroundings, its demography and its economy, the Chandigarh Tri-City is one of the most important regions of India in terms of growth and development. Scarcity of further scope of development in Chandigarh has led to the adjoining areas as prime areas of interest for real estate property, out of which Mohali is the most sought after. With the growing need of quality infrastructure and quality lifestyle, CNC is proud to present to you Mohali Junction, tomorrow's most happening place. CNC Mohali Junction is the first integrated commercial project of the region in a public-private partnership venture with the Government of Punjab. The project incorporates all the commercial needs under a single roof. A retail mall with a 10-screen multiplex, a business hotel with a rooftop swimming pool and spa, corporate offices, and India's first air-conditioned interstate bus terminal. CNC has actively participated in making India's 2020 dream come true. Every brick CNC lays on the ground is dedicated to nation building, even in the most challenging conditions, with their hands-on, entrepreneurial management and uncompromising attitude to ensure that the challenges and commitments are met on time. Hence, our chairman, Mr. Gurjeet Singh Johar, rightly says, we continue to strive daily to be an organization that is designed to meet the tough challenges and capitalize great opportunities that lie ahead. Above all, a company that delivers values. With its focus on construction of highways, airports, telecom, sewerage, sanitation and transmission tower projects, the company has become one of the fastest growing infrastructure companies listed on NSE and BSE in India. With India's top architects and consultants working on board, CNC Mohali Junction promises to provide world-class infrastructure and facilities. Located on NH21 on the southwest growth vector of Chandigarh Tri-City area, this project encompasses a triangular plot with a land parcel of 7.02 acres and 100 feet wide roads on all three sides, with the surrounding area completely developed and inhabited. CNC Mohali Junction will be visible in the form of 3 towers, which will soon define the skyline of the city. CNC Terminus, CNC Royale, CNC Capital. With religious planning and state-of-the-art technology, the project gives convenience to the commuters with interconnected air-conditioned sky bridges, high-speed dedicated lifts and escalators to increase the ease of accessibility and approach in these towers, with an automated car parking facility in the basements and a rooftop helipad. Having a total FAR of approximately 1 million square feet and a ground coverage of 40%, there is more to it than just its architectural grandeur. The ultimate, top-of-the-line shopping experience, amalgamated with fine food and surroundings that are a shopper's delight, with a resourceful recreational area for people to sip a cup of coffee while the kids play in their entertainment area. What better place than a 10-screen multiplex by Cinepolis with 3 VIP screens to enjoy a movie with your loved ones? Any company would like to be in the best address of the town, which ensures all facilities and amenities that are required at a workplace. The offices in CNC Mohali Junction reflect the taste and essence of their owners, as we provide them with the opportunity to have the interiors as per their choice. Wide our variety in an innovative product mix, which includes corporate offices, modular offices, and the blue chip business condo suites. For comfort and ease, the modular offices come fully furnished and planned with the concept of park, plug and play with aesthetic intelligence. Providing the top-of-the-line luxury, we bring you the business condo suites that are aimed to enhance productivity while reducing stress in a comfortable environment. Another entity basking in the light of opulence is our business hotel, the Hyatt Place. With 150 rooms perched at the highest seat of luxury, this hotel comes with a rooftop swimming pool, spa and a fitness center. The finest dining experience would make it the best in the hospitality sector. Our meticulously planned retail mall, offices and business hotel will culminate in a satisfied customer base and a healthy financial growth of the investors. Investment in this multi-dimensional project means a sure flight to the top notch. And with this, we bring you the best in town. Retail mall investment is available with assured returns and minimum guaranteed rent for a period of 10 years at a price of ground floor at Rs 15,000 per square feet, first floor at Rs 13,500 per square feet, second floor at Rs 12,000 per square feet, third floor at Rs 11,000 per square feet. Minimum guaranteed rent available for a period of 10 years. Ground floor at Rs 100 per square feet per month, first floor at Rs 90 per square feet per month, second floor at Rs 80 per square feet per month, third floor at Rs 73 per square feet per month. Corporate office spaces are available in various options, which include cold shell office space at Rs 7,250 per square feet, modular office space fully furnished at Rs 8,000 per square feet, business condo suites, fully furnished luxury offices with attached toilet and pantry, with a home cum office concept at Rs 8,750 per square feet. Virtual space investment gives you an opportunity to invest and earn revenues better than any financial instrument in the market, making it lucrative and the most desired with a minimum guaranteed return of 18% with 10% assured return till possession and a minimum guarantee rent. It is an investor's dream investment where he can own a space in a hypermart anchor store, Big Bazaar or 10-screen multiplex in Cinepolis. Guaranteed buyback offer in the 6th and 9th year after commercial operations start with capital appreciation. Big Bazaar at Rs 4,500 per square feet. Cinepolis at Rs 2,800 per square feet. CNC Mohali Junction provides you flexible payment plans for your desirable investment in order to make your dream a reality here. They include construction link plan, down payment plan with assured return, installment plan, finance option. All who have invested in CNC Mohali Junction have already seen 20% appreciation in their investment in merely a year's time. With all necessary approvals taken in less than a period of 6 months and construction in full swing, the project boasts of being tomorrow's most happening place, with part of the project being operational soon. The technical validation of the plans is done by IIT Roorkee and further evaluated by GMADA. The government has keen interest in it, being a public-private partnership project, and is monitored by the Chief Administrator GMADA and the District Collector. An independent engineer has been also appointed by the government to oversee the developments of the project and ensure its timely delivery. The Deputy Chief Minister has personally visited the site to check the status of the development. Mohali Junction is already in news, with the media and people talking about it. By being the talk of the town, it has gained considerable attention. We proudly claim that on the completion of this project, it would not just be a grand masterpiece in itself, but also transform the lives in many ways, be it shopping, entertainment, work or travel. The city is in a phase of transition, and you will witness it in CNC Mohali Junction, tomorrow's most happening place.